folks. I forgot to do something before I started my last video. I forgot to chew gum on purpose, because, you know, I like chewing gum. It's probably rude and obnoxious. But anyway, this video, I'm going to relate to a couple of previous videos. I always chew 3 pieces of gum. Apparently when you chew gum, you activate your saliva glands, and it makes you hungry. Depending on what kind of gum I eat, it makes my teeth hurt. Anyway, in a previous video on this stupid channel, I showed you this one, which was whatever. I also showed you this Dewalt one, which has, wait, this has got bits. This has got more bits, and I had this one's got drill bits, bitty bits. This one was a Craftsman one that fits on them. Had a little itty bitty, puny little wrench in it. And this one had a little less puny wrench in it, right? Okay. So as much as I hate these stupid things, I think I have another. Hate is a strong word. I just don't like them. They're more like for the the home DIYer. But in some instances, I don't know why I'm coughing so much. I have water here. So they're more for the home DIY. Buy some drill bits, keep it in there. But I don't do DIY things. I just do like destructive DIY things. And I do some, like I'm not a freaking carpenter. But when I buy drill bits, mostly I destroy them drilling metal. I like playing with metal. I like getting ideas and see if I can do them. And, you know, usually it ends in failure. But it's okay. But I mean, half of these things I never use. I honestly believe that one day, I might need these. And they'll be over here where I can't get them. So, but I keep buying these cheap. But in my infinite wisdom, because I, you know, can't resist. I'm like, I think I'm becoming like these online tool junkies, where you see something, you're like, yeah, I want that, because it's just like cool, and who doesn't want more tools, right? Do something with your life, better than drinking and smoking and joking. So anyway, I noticed they all cling together. Klingons. So they cling together, put them all together like this, 3 of them, see? And then you take this one and you can store them all together. And on and on and on. So, on my travels, here's 4 on there. In my travels, I opened that one. Oops, I'm gonna drop it everywhere. I have used these though, because when I take some, if I don't want to take everything, I'll just grab one of these. What sucks though is every time I grab one of these things, I grab the wrong one. I'm like, oh, there's no bits. I always use the square bits, because here in Canada, I forget what they're called, Robertsons. They're square bits. They use them in the States. They use those little star ones more. And I use them all the time, and I strip them like fast. So if I take the wrong one, there's none left in it. So anyway, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Anyway, in my travels, what do you call it? My travels. I go over the border every week. What do you call it? I discovered something that I really wanted to find out. This is really cool. And I picked up this. This is, let's see if it fits too. This is a Craftsman 26-piece SAE in metric palm ratchet set. See? It's a palm ratchet. It has this little round thing here. I looked it up online. First I was like, 30 bucks. And I was like, I ain't paying 30 bucks for this thing. I don't care what that little thing is. Then I went back there. It was on sale for like $24. And I'm like, I don't want to buy it. Then I went back. It was $9.99. I'm like, I like that price. $9.99. So, without further ado, I'm going to use my letter opener here and just chop it open. See? Ooh, look at that. Cool. Works pretty good. Oh, I didn't even open that part. What a piece of awesomeness. Every time I try to rip these open, I slice my hands open. Let me put this down here. So I'm trying to be careful now because this plastic can be like razor sharp if you're not careful. What a waste of packaging. Like, they should make this out of, like, I don't know, plant food or something. Because at least you can, like, throw it in your garden or something. But anyway, besides all the bits here, which I think are, let me check, is it the same as the other one? Excellent letter opener, by the way. Excellent. Let me take this off of here now. Take that one off there. I don't know if it's the same, same as the other one. See, this one has a couple of bits on there, and this one has a couple on top, so I don't know if they... Oh no, different one. But anyway, besides all the stupid thingamabobbers here that I don't use very often, it has this little spindly, bobbly, orbally thing here, which is really cool. So apparently you can go like... Let me lower the camera so you can see me fiddle with this thing that I'll probably never use. Baby wipes. Best thing for garages. Alright. So apparently you take... Okay, what is this? Come on. It is... what the hell is this thing? You can put that on there and... Cool. You can turn that and... What is it called? Palm ratchet? Craftsman, if you want to read it. You can read it like so. Comes with 72 tooth palm ratchet for increased access in tight spaces. Tight as a frog's ass. Compact case for mobility and durability. Sockets and bits included for use in various fasteners. Meets or exceeds ASME specifications. Can somebody tell me what the hell ASME is? Because I don't know what it is. 7 1/4-inch drive tools, 1 palm ratchet, 6 6-point sockets SAE, and 19 specialty tools, 18 specialty bits, 1/4-inch drive bit adapter, and it's made in. I bet you I know where it's made. Even comes with a security tag right here. I have a feeling it's made in China. Oh. Where's it made? Where's it made? Come on, where's it made? Where's it made? Whoa, it's made in Taiwan. Holy shit. Taiwan. Taiwan. So yeah, it has this little... It's actually pretty cool. I looked online. It's got a little red thingy. It's like... Yeah, one another one. I can make a little car out of it. Why is it like wobble? It has a... That's weird. Watch this. I'll hold it still in it. It's crooked. Is this supposed to be crooked? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, look at that. It has like a... It's like a little... what do you call that? Gyroscope. Okay? Gyros. You can like... That's so weird. That is cool. It's like a little minigun. Shoots that way. So I guess you can aim it. Wow, this is cool. This is really cool. Now I like this toy. You can put a little drill bit in here. Yeah. And you can aim the little missile. So, see. I didn't realize it did that. That's really cool. What the hell would I use this for? I don't know. I have no idea. Other than, I mean, obviously I'd use it for if I needed to take a bolt or a screw out, but finish is pretty nice. It's got a nice anodized finish. It's smooth, so you can just like continually drop it on the floor. I would think that you would want to knurl this so you don't, whatever. There's a screw here. I guess that comes out. I guess there's a screw in, yeah, there's one little screw in there, right here, you can see. Oh yeah, there's another one on this side right here, and there's one here, right here, and there's one right here. So I guess if you want to take it out, it'd be kind of cool to try to machine one of these. I mean, I'm not a machinist, but sure, if I really tried, I could get screws. I know I can, if I really wanted to, I can go on my lathe and make a really, really crude version of this ring and put another ring on there, and probably it would never work because I'm not really good at using my lathe, but I have a lathe. I'm learning how, so that is really cool. It's got a nice little red color. Looks like a little, what is it called, flanks gun. Just keep, whatever. So, yeah, there you go. Pretty cool, huh? Got a little spin like a top. I thought it was cool, see? It's really nice. I mean, but I mean, for the price, the only problem I hate is this thing. Like, look, come on now. You could have just secured the thing. But, like the Dewalt things, has the little notches in there. So I'm guessing they took the mold from that one and just made it red. Added some red goo in there, and there you go. And it goes in like so, and that goes in like so, and if anybody has this, hey, what is the part number? The part number is, I don't know, what does it say? Well, if you want to call the 800 number, it's 1-888-331-4569. Customer service. Oh, here it is. Part number in really tiny letters. Can you read that little part number right here? Right there. The part number is CMMT, looks like I or 12004LZ. Don't make it any bigger. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully in the future I'll be using Pomelo here, and you'll see me use it. Or worst case scenario, I'll just have a stack about 16 feet high of these boxes. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. DIYers, you're going to love this. Toodles.